is Bitcoin forming right now a inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, and can we see a breakout any moment out of this pattern in the price of Bitcoin? Guys, that is going to be the topic of today's video. What is going on with the Bitcoin price action? Can we see a breakout today? What is going to be the target, and how should we approach the price action that we are seeing right now? Then guys, I also want to have a quick talk about the floor model, or some models of Plan B, which is basically predicting that November we are going to see a Bitcoin price of $98,000. I'm going to have a talk whether this is a realistic price target for still this month. And yeah, guys, we are also quickly going to have a look at this scenario again, where we have been talking about in my previous video. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, before we are jumping into the inverse head and shoulders in the price of Bitcoin, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very much appreciated. Then for all the traders who are interested in trading this pattern that we might be seeing in Bitcoin, you can do that over on a couple of exchanges that I'm recommending down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus. And right now there is a major bonus going on over on Bybit, and right now you only have a limited amount of time to claim this major bonus, which is a total bonus of $4,100, and with my specific affiliate link you will get a 10% discount on your fees as well. On the Femex exchange you can get a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XBT platform you can get a 50% deposit bonus. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find all of these affiliate links down below this video. Then guys, let's dive into the Bitcoin price action, and actually things are starting to look very interesting. We have seen quite a drop in the price of Bitcoin, but right now we are seeing a potential reversal pattern, which is a inverse head and shoulders pattern. We got the left shoulder right here, we got the head in the middle, and we got the right shoulder right there. The neckline, we got a clear neckline right here, where the resistance is at approximately 60,800 to 60,900 approximately. So can we see a breakout out of this formation? Yes, that is definitely possible. Do take in mind that these patterns are only confirmed once we are actually seeing the breakout, so that is very important. But we can already see interesting signals in the momentum indicator. So we are seeing that our momentum indicator is trending up, which is a good sign, especially with a breakout. And we can see also some bullish divergences on the relative strength index. So right here in the price we can see we've created a lower low, and on the relative strength index we are actually doing the opposite. We are creating higher lows, which create this bullish divergence, and which shows us that if we can break the neckline right here, then that move can come along with quite some bullish momentum, due to the fact that these momentum indicators are already trending up. However, we have to be aware of the fact that we could also see something like this, and let me show you what I mean. That we are seeing the momentum indicators trending up, but we have this clear uptrend right here, and that eventually, if we are losing this uptrend, we are losing that support, and that is going to be the moment that most likely we are going to see a further drop in the price of Bitcoin, and that we are not going to see this pattern playing out, this inverse head and shoulders breaking out to the upside with a decisive break. And if we do get that break, so we have to hold above this uptrending support in the relative strength index, I would say. And if we do get that break and reaction in the price, then the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is the width of the neckline till the head. Let's take it right here, the body of the candle, put at the point of breakout. Then we can say that the target of this formation would be at $62,980, so roughly $63,000. And the interesting thing about this target, guys, is that this is exactly the this trend line, which is the former support of this bigger rising wedge formation. Let me refresh your mind if you don't know it. That is this formation right here. We got an uptrending support, we got a uptrending resistance, and this is a bigger rising wedge pattern where we have seen a breakdown from, and where the target is actually the bottom of the wedge right here at 53,800, which is also a very, very interesting level due to the fact that this 53,800, well, let's call it the zone 53 to 54,000, is aligning right here with this uptrending support of that bigger rising channel formation, but is also aligning with the 100 daily moving average, which generally is well known as a very important moving average. So guys, this is what I'm watching with Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame. Another thing I quickly wanted to point out right here is that next to this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, we could also still be seeing something like this. This is just a potential scenario you can be alert of, right? That we slightly move sideways, have another drop to touch liquidity, and then see that reversal, and we are doing like the opposite in the relative strength index on the 4-hour time frame, so not on the 1 hour, so that we eventually set a lower low right here in the price, but a higher low in the relative strength index, and then see a nice reversal. I personally don't think that Bitcoin is in right now for a severe correction. I think that is the less likely scenario. It looks like everybody is expecting Bitcoin to reach $53,000. Everybody's waiting to buy Bitcoin around these levels. I think the chances of that actually happening is less likely right now than seeing a reversal in the not so distant future and Bitcoin trending back up. Then guys, I want to go to a very important tweet of Plan B, which is predicting a crazy price prediction for the month November. So let me read this tweet for you guys. My worst case scenario for 2021, which is a model based on price and on-chain analytics. Plan B is stating that August is going to be a $47,000 Bitcoin, September 43, October 63, and November 98. So the funny thing or the interesting thing about these predictions is that so far it has been quite accurate. All these months, these prediction has actually been quite accurate, and right now is predicting a $98,000 Bitcoin for the month of November. But guys, is it actually possible for Bitcoin to reach $98,000 by the end of this month? Well guys, I've been drawing it over right here on the chart. Here's where Bitcoin is trading right now. If Bitcoin wants to reach $98,000, still in November, we got to reach this point in the chart. As you can see, that is there would be a crazy rally if that were to happen. So I'm personally going to say that I think it's definitely less likely for Bitcoin to see such a move like this. I do want to say right here, guys, that it is Bitcoin. We have seen Bitcoin doing crazy rallies in the past, so we never know what Bitcoin is capable of. Bitcoin is always surprising us. That is something I want to say. But to reach $98,000 by the end of this month, I do say that I think that is definitely not the most likely scenario right now, because a lot of stuff would need to happen for Bitcoin to reach that level. Nevertheless, that price prediction from Plan B is quite bullish. I would be very glad, I would be very happy if we could reach this level this month. But like I said, guys, I'm not counting on it because we definitely have to see some drastic changes in the price of Bitcoin in order to see that price levels. And one thing I did want to point out right here is that if we have a look right here on the daily time frame, we can see that we had a nice retracement to the 50-day moving average, which is a important key level in the price of Bitcoin. Like I've been saying in my previous video, normally in a bull trend we're getting this pullbacks to the 50-day, and this level is holding in a bull trend, and then we can continue this uptrend. So this is a very interesting development that so far we are holding above the 50-day. Also, when we have a look at this scenario where I've been talking about, we have seen in November 2017, we have seen a similar situation where Bitcoin just had a pullback to the 50-day moving average, quickly reversed and went into this crazy rally, entering the blow off top phase. Could that happen right now? Yes. Is that the more likely scenario? No. We are not seeing that much evidence of that in the chart as of now. However, so far Bitcoin is holding the 50-day. And as long as we're holding the 50-day right here, guys, I'm going to remain bullish. And I'm going to, more favor the scenario of the bulls, favor the scenario of that reversal is happening right now. But if we were to lose the 50-day moving average, then I definitely think Bitcoin can see a further drop, and we can see that lower range of 54,000 US dollars. But okay, guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is so much helping out the channel, pushing these videos to a broader audience. Also, the last weeks, I've been uploading every second day instead of every day. And YouTube also tends to rank the channels lower that are not uploading every day. So it would really help out if you guys would hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That would be awesome. And then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin, who are interested in maybe longing this opportunity or trading that breakout of that inverse head and shoulders pattern, you can do that over on the Bybit exchange, over on the Femex platform, or over on the Prime XPT platform. I would recommend using the Bybit exchange. Of course, this is for experienced traders only. But if you use my specific sign up link down below to join one of these platforms, you can get an additional bonus. And right now there's just a major bonus going on over on the Bybit exchange, where you can get a 4,100 US dollar bonus and a 10% discount on your fees. Which is one of the biggest bonuses that are ever being organized on Bybit. And you have only a limited time left to claim this bonus if you are interested in that. On the Femex platform, you can get a 1,200 US dollar bonus, and the Prime XPT a 50% deposit bonus. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.